That is a chickadee enjoying some of the cannabis seeds from one of our pollinated female plants that I left in place in the garden intentionally, the majority of the flower heads filled with seeds for little guys like these in the winter. You see, while most people grow cannabis with an anthropocentric thinking, as in only for what it does for humans, within the natural habitat of cannabis's range, like many plants that provide nutrient-dense seeds to wildlife, this one too can also provide for local ecology. Now, this plant provides potent medicine for us in the form of topical medicines, and you can use the raw plant material to make medicine and food as well. And it also provides for the local wildlife. If you allow some of the pollinated flowers to stay over the winter. And for those that aren't aware, eating cannabis seeds does not get you intoxicated. It's just the equivalent of hemp hearts that you would buy in the store. So these little guys have something to snack on in the winter. And of course, they're going to drop some seeds. They're working on those flowers, so they'll plant a bunch more for me. And then in the spring, instead of having to grow my own seedlings, I just go and select the best ones that they've left behind and plant them where I want. Nature doing the work for me, growing medicine, feeding the local wildlife. This is part of what growing cannabis in the regenerative garden can look like. If you check out the link in the description section below, you'll find an in-depth article on growing cannabis in the context of the regenerative garden and using it in a non-intoxicating capacity, both for its nutrition and for other medicinal applications in the raw plant material.